Welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss WordPress plugins. First of all, what are WordPress plugins? So WordPress plugins are kind of small softwares that you install in your WordPress dashboard and it enhance or increase the functionality of your website. In simple words, we can say that plugins give WordPress the ability of adding extra features and functions. For example, when you are creating a page with WordPress, so by default in WordPress you get the normal features for creating a page, like adding text in the page, adding images or links in the page. But when you install a plugin like Elementor Page Builder, so this plugin gives you the ability to create beautiful, professional and responsive pages because this plugin provides you extra features for creating a page on WordPress. Similarly, when you need to increase the security of your website, so you install and activate WordPress security plugins, or when you want to increase the speed and performance of your site, so you install and activate plugin like W3 to increase the performance of your site. So it depends what type of feature you want to add to your website, and for adding that feature, you will search and install a plugin that provide you that specific feature on your website. Now some plugins do not require any configuration. You can simply install and activate them and they will start working right away. But for some plugins, you will need to configure them after activating them. For example, for an e-commerce website, when you install the WooCommerce plugin, so you will need to configure the shipping methods, the text methods, and the payment methods in that plugin to make it work the way you want it. And configuring a plugin is not a big issue because every plugin provides their own guidelines for configuring that plugin. And some plugins have tutorials which teach you on how to use that plugin. For almost all the popular plugins, you will find tutorials on YouTube and you will get blogs on Google on how to use and configure that specific plugin. Now installing and activating plugins are very easy. You can install and activate plugins in the same way you install and activate themes. So we will go to our WordPress dashboard. And here in your WordPress dashboard, you will see this plugin option. You can see all the installed plugins from here. And when you want to add a new plugin, so you will click on the Add New button. So I will click on Add New. Now here in the search box you can search for plugins. So for demonstration I will search for a common plugin called Contact Form 7. So I will type here Contact Form 7. So this is the Contact Form 7 plugin. Now you can check the details about this plugin by clicking here on the More Details button. So here you can see the description of this plugin. You can see the installation method. You can see the frequently asked questions here. You can see the screenshots of this plugin here, and you can read the reviews on this plugin from the reviews option. If you scroll down, so you can also visit the home page of this plugin by clicking on this link here. Now when you want to install a plugin, so you can simply click on the Install Now button, and then you can click on Activate to activate this plugin. Now you can see the Contact Form 7 plugin is installed and activated on our WordPress dashboard. Now whenever you want to delete a plugin from your WordPress dashboard, so first you will deactivate it and then you will click on the Delete button to delete that plugin. If you want to download a plugin from the WordPress.org website, so you will go to WordPress.org/plugins. Now here you can scroll down and you can search for plugins here. So for demonstration I will search for a plugin called Ninja Form. So type the plugin name and then press enter. So this is the Ninja Form Contact Form. Now I will click on this plugin and then here you will see the download button. So you can click on the download button to download this plugin to your computer. So you can see the plugin is downloading. Now we will go back to our WordPress dashboard to upload and install this plugin. So go to plugins, and under plugins you will click on add new. Now here you will see the upload plugin button, so click on this. Now click on browse and search for the plugin in your computer. So this is the plugin which we just downloaded. Now click on install now. So you can see the plugin is installed successfully. Now you can activate the plugin from here, or you can go to install plugins and you can activate this plugin from here also. So I will activate this plugin. Now if we scroll down, so you can see the plugin is activated. Now after activating this plugin, you can see a new option in your WordPress dashboard, which is coming as a result of installing and activating this Ninja Palm plugin. So from here you can configure this plugin to make it work the way you want it. Later in this course we will be using different plugins, so you will learn all about plugins in detail.